What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. It's your girl Dominique. If this is your first time catching a video from me, make sure it's not your last. We are going to be doing my hair today, and the unit that I'm going to be showing you is from HerGivenHair. This is a half unit, so it's like a 3-in-1 unit. With half units, you can do so many different things with them. I actually worked with this brand on many occasions, and I did like one wig that was pretty much the same last year. So we're gonna do like an updated version of me showing you how to install this unit and different styles you can achieve with this unit. So I went ahead and I just shampooed the front portion of my hair and sectioned it out, and just 2-strand, did like a little rope twist right here to just let it dry overnight. Let me give you all the specifications. So this is a half wig. The texture is Kinky blowout. The color is natural color. And let's go ahead and open her up. And then you do get some additional clips right here that you can add onto the wig. And you also get a band. Love these adjustable bands. They just help with added security. In the box, along with your wig, you get a dust bag, which I absolutely love for storing your unit. And then you get a booklet. This booklet is really important, especially if you are new to installing wigs. It just gives you instructions on how to install it and different tips and tricks that will help you out. So let's go ahead and open this unit up, which I'm excited. This is the unit. It is 18 inches in length, and like I said, it's Kinky blowout. The thing that I absolutely love about this wig, and I find that is just like so cool because it's my first time ever getting one like this. I actually have had multiple half wig units, but I've never had one that you can wear as a full wig as well. So you get a little bit of a lace right here in the front where you can wear it as a full wig and you can wear it glueless. So that's a plus. And this is like the little lace area that you get. So the inside construction, you have 2 combs right here on the side, and then you have your adjustable straps in the inside, which helps with added security. And then you have a comb right here at the bottom, and then these clips right here is where you will put your band right here, which will help with security as well. So I love the fact that this can be worn as a full wig, a half wig. You can do so much with it. So let's go ahead and cut this little bit of lace off, and well, let me try it on first so you guys can see. This is what the unit looks like. You can see it's just a little small amount of lace, and I'm lining up my part with the part that is on the wig so everything can look seamless.
Hey, you with the cigarette, where are we?
In my dreams, I'm never over you. Just trying to stay alive. No matter how I feel or what I do, yeah, I keep on wasting time. And I'm just here until there's something new. Although it feels so right, yeah. Yes, it's nothing left for me to do. Hide to the tears tonight. I remember when I laid my eyes on you. I knew you would never be mine. Oh yeah. Keep it on the low, 'cause I don't wanna know. 'Cause I'm not ready to give it up. Yeah. Sometimes I am lying to myself, yeah. Because I need some time. It's a
This is what the unit looks like after straightening it out. It looks so good. It matches so well with my natural hair texture. As you can see, I left out just this much of my hair, and I blended it in by just applying a little bit of concealer right here. You really don't even need to do that. It looks so good. And you can just pop this on, pop you a middle part in here, and be on your way. So this is one style that you can wear with this unit. Just wear it straight down, middle part.
I remember when I laid my eyes on you. I knew you would never be mine.
This unit looks so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slick my edges down just a bit, just to show you how you can wear this like back off your face. And I'm just gonna slick my edges down. Since this is a half wig, you can just leave out a little bit of your hair in the front and blend it in with the unit and put you a headband on, and you can wear it like this as well. Super cute and just super easy and looks so natural. You can also achieve like a half up, half down style as well.
You so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trouble.
I love this half up, half down look. What I'm gonna do is tie down my edges just for a little bit.
It's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Trying to control.
I'm just gonna put some curls in it now just to show you how well this hair curls as well. So it's really versatile. This is a low maintenance hairstyle. If you want a protective style, but you still wanna like rock your natural hair, you want something that's gonna look realistic, this is the way to go. Because I find myself a lot of the times now, like, I love me a good wig, a good full wig, but I love just the natural look of my hairline showing.
Separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too.
All right, so this is what we're looking like once we put some curls in it, y'all, and it looks so good. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Ah! Girl, what? You can't tell me nothing. I'm definitely here for this style right here. So of course you can take it down and just wear it curly and flowy, but I'm loving the half up, half down look.
Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go on.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention. I'm under pressure. Okay,
so half up, half down with the curls, and then pop on a headband. This is super cute, y'all. Absolutely love this look right here. Like, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. The last look that I want to show you is just wearing it straight down, but I'm gonna go change my clothes real quick and I'll be back to show you how it looks, just like, you know, down with a few curls. All right, y'all, so I am going to pop a few curls in it so I can show you what it looks like down. Well, I already have curls in it, but just a few more since I curled it while it was in the ponytail.
We could share love in the ocean, but if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
guys, so this is the completed look. As you can see, like I did like the no part look, and then I did the middle part again, and y'all, it looks so good. So this unit is definitely versatile. This half up, I mean, you can do half up, half down. It's a 3-in-1 unit. Human hair. I like the Kinky blend because it matches with my natural hair texture just overall, and it just looks so good and it blends so well. So yeah, I'm definitely a fan. I just love the fact that like I can just pull it back. I can put it in a ponytail if I want to, if it's just like too much and I'm just like, oh, let me get some of this hair off of me. You can do like a little messy ponytail as well, like your little headband. Like, girl, you can do so much with this unit. Absolutely love it. Thank you to HerGivenHair for sending this over and allowing me to share this unit with you guys. If you are interested, I will have everything down below in the description box. All the links, all the information for this unit will be down below, so that's where you can find all the information. But thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys found this video useful and you enjoyed it. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.